What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you step by step how you can withdraw money from your Wise account to your Jamaican bank account, because I realize a lot of individuals are having a little challenge with this. So I am going to be going over the process step by step and how you can achieve this, right? So before I get into this video, here are a few things, right? Here are a few things to know. One, the time from withdrawal for the money to hit your account is typically within 1 to 3 business days. However, if you do the withdrawal early in the morning, then within the same business day, it can hit your account because Wise is located in the UK. Number 2, your bank will charge a telegraphic fee to receive this money. Now the fee will vary from bank to bank. Typically with NCB, it's about $23. With Scotia, it may be different. With JMB, it may be different. The only bank I have tested it with is NCB. Now in order for this to work, you're going to need the SWIFT code. You can find the SWIFT code for your bank on their website, or you take up your phone, just call them and ask them for the SWIFT code. So the SWIFT code is all you need and your account number. So with that said, let's get right into this video. Once you're logged into your Wise account, select the account that you want to make the withdrawal from. Here I have 92 cents in my US account, so I'm going to select this account. Then look for the option that says send, right? Even though you're using the mobile app, it will be similar. You have two options here. You can keep it as same currency. So if you're sending to a Jamaican bank account, your bank will convert it to the equivalent Jamaican dollars. If you're sending it to a US account, your bank will keep it in US dollars. So select continue. In your case, you're going to select new contact. You can either send to myself or send to someone else. So I'm going to select someone else and still provide my account information. Here you can provide an email address for the person, although it's optional. Now there's an option that says I know their bank account details. You're going to select this option, yes, right? Now for the recipient bank details, if you look carefully, you have ACH, you have Wire, and you have SWIFT. Now if you're on the mobile phone version, this will be in a drop down menu. So select the drop down and select SWIFT. SWIFT is the option that you want. Now once you select SWIFT, you specify the person's full name, the SWIFT code, and the account number, and then you select the country. So here I'm going to select Jamaica. Don't know how to find your SWIFT code? For me, I'm just going to Google and search for NCB SWIFT code. So here it says JNCB JMKX and you have XXX. I'm not sure why it's using additional 3 X's. However, if you scroll down to the NCB link and select wire transfer instruction, you'll get the actual SWIFT code. Now this is the SWIFT code that you're going to use, the one for the beneficiary bank, not the one for the corresponding bank. So this is the SWIFT code that you want. And if you scroll down, it's the same SWIFT code for the Great Britain pound, and it's the same SWIFT code if you're sending euro. So I'm going to go back here, specify the SWIFT code. Now I just need to specify my account number. Once you have specified the account number, scroll down and provide the address of the recipient. That recipient is you. Or if you are sending to someone else, you specify their address information. So once you complete the recipient information, select confirm, select a reason for the transfer. I'm just going to say education expenses and then submit. Now please keep in mind that I won't be able to send this 92 cents because this is below the minimum amount required. And here it says the smallest amount you can send is $3.03. On the transfer details, you'll see exactly the amount Wise will take in terms of fees, right? But what it will not show you is the amount the recipient bank will charge. So now you have to confirm with your bank how much they charge to receive telegraphic fees, or maybe you can research that online. Once your SWIFT code is correct, once your account number is correct, your money will be in your account. If the money is not in your account within 3 days, it will be rejected, and chances are you provided some information incorrectly. So make sure you validate the information that you're providing. So once you have confirmed everything is fine, all you need to do is select send and confirm, and that's it. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.